What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek from Hong Kong. Check out the links in the description box below. So here it is, the new Nokia 3310 unboxing in 2017. Finding a new Nokia 3310 is hard. A lot of people comment me, Jimmy Geek, why you don't review the new Nokia 3310. So this is a new Nokia 3310. I'm finding within a box like a, to be honest, this box seems like a little bit fade out. Yeah, I mean this phone was released back in 2000, but finding a new Nokia 3310, I mean this one is not sealed, but still it's like a brand new Nokia 3310. Jump to the unboxing table of the new Nokia 3310. I pay only like 15 US dollar. From the link you can buy this one below as a new Nokia 3310. I bought it from AliExpress. Jump to the unboxing table. Also let me know which is your favorite phone of all time. My favorite phone of all time is the Nokia N900. This one. My favorite phone of all time is Nokia 900. So here's the box from the back. Jump to the unboxing table and then let's do the unboxing and a review of the new Nokia 3310. Here is the Nokia 3310. This phone was released back in 2002, back in 2000, just 2018 years ago. So this is a new, brand new Nokia 33. This is not the new one, but this is still the new one. I bought it from eBay. Let's find out is the new Nokia 3310. What are finding in a box? I mean new is hard, especially the brand new seal is hard. So this is the open box. So now let me show you from the side, from the back. I mean small and stylish. Wow, I mean you can read by yourself. Okay, here we go. It comes with the earbuds, charger, and then the seller put a Hong Kong plug type for it. Nothing special in the box, just a ordinary box, to be honest with you. Nothing special at all in the box. Let me put the box aside and let me now just focus on the Nokia 3310. So now let me open it. Let me put the SIM card inside. Yes, let me put the SIM card inside for you. To be honest with how to put the SIM, even I don't know that. Okay, like this. Wow, I put it, isn't it? Okay, now let me close it. And then now let me turn it on. It's not turning it on, to be honest with you. Okay, and now it's on. Finally it's on. The Nokia 3310 is finally booting up. The battery is full. Okay, the display is quite dim. Let me peel off this sticker for you. Okay, come on. Okay, so yeah, I mean this phone was released back in 2008. I mean the display is quite dim, let me be honest with you. I mean it's really very hard to see, isn't it? Yeah, now it's better. So I mean let me jump to the menu. It have a phone book, text information, profile, clock, reminder, calculator, games, call divert, setting, tones, call register, chat, message. Let me go to the second message, chat. Okay, you can easily chat. That is really awesome. Call register, tones. Let me select the tones. Let me put on level 5. Okay, level 5. Nokia tone. Okay, we are going to do a test of it with my sound tester. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, it's getting like 80 decibel. That is awesome. It's quite loud to be honest with you, 85 decibel. Hmm. Isn't there a nostalgia factor to it? Isn't there a nostalgia factor? It's a big nostalgia factor for me to be honest with you. This is a 18 years old phone in my hand. Getting a brand new is really very hard, especially I bought it. To be honest with you, I'm thinking to use this one as a everyday phone. To be honest with you, I'm tired of smartphone. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough to be honest with you. Now let me show you the games. Okay, I'm gonna show you the games. Yes, definitely the games. Let me play the snake too. Okay, the snake. Select a new level. Okay. Okay, there's no backlight while playing the snake. What happened? Instruction. Top score. Okay, let me play the space. I mean the backlight die. New game. Okay, setting. Backlight on. It was my mistake. Let me play the snake again. Yeah, now let me play the snake. Wow, I'm in the classic snake. Who is not loving it? So now let me play the space impact game. Continue. Oh, this was my favorite game to be honest with you. Okay, let me play the Bamatunia. What happened? I just cancelled the game. Okay. Wow, I mean back in the days the games were quite good. It have 4 games inside. I mean let me use the calculator right now. Now is the turn for the calculator. 5 and plus 5 equal 10. Reminder. Okay, first I need to set the clock. Profile. I mean there's a lot of stuff which I like about this phone. So the real question is that should you buy a Nokia 3310 in 2018? I mean, if you need a phone which is rock solid, number one thing, this phone can easily break. Also, a lot of people say this is unbreakable phone. That is a lie. I mean, people don't know how to make joke. There's a the floor will break, the phone will not break. That is absolutely lie. I mean, the phone will definitely break. This is a fragile phone. If you try to, I mean, hit a hard on ground, it's going to shatter in pieces. That is reality. But this phone is quite rugged at the same time. I mean, I'm not going to use as a hammer. A lot of people claim that is absolutely ridiculous, but The phone is amazing. When Jimmy is telling you something amazing, then it really means the phone is amazing. To be honest with you, I'm really very much amazed with the quality of the phone. Nokia 3310 is much better than the 2017 Nokia 3310. Let me be honest with you, let me be precise with you. If you have money in your pocket, like this phone only costs 12 bucks, 12 bucks on AliExpress as a refurbished. As a, in a box, you can go for like brand new seal 200, 300 open box, how to say 55, 60 US dollar for the open box. I mean, yeah, this is a absolutely beautiful phone. So it was me, Jimmy Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي